What's up, everybody? This is our latest bathroom remodel. Gotta be a little quiet because one of the homeowners is still upstairs sleeping. But this is going to be their new master bath. Some medicine cabinets. This is going to be a dull vanity. This won't be seen, so we didn't worry about that. We just basically did obviously a tile border around the whole thing. And originally the tile was just going to stop here at the door. This used to be bamboo hardwood floor, but we recommended to them that they not be there because it's not good in bathrooms. So we just brought the tile all the way out. Here's their niches. Pretty cool shower curb. It's going to be all glass and then a door that swings this way. And then right here there's going to be a grab bar that also has a shower head attachment. And that'll sit on or like hang on the grab bar, and then the hose for it runs into here. So it has its own outlet. And then they'll have their normal shower head and then their valve right there. If you guys like seeing projects like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a good day.